Hi, everyone. In this screen recording, I'm walking through a linear regression project using a data set called Sleep Patterns versus Daily Performance, which I downloaded from Kaggle. Originally, I planned to use the supply chain disruption data set, but after reviewing it more closely, I realized it wasn't a strong fit for linear regression. So I switched to this sleep and productivity data set since it has clear numeric variables and measurable outcomes, which makes it much better suited for this type of modeling. To begin, I used ChatGPT to explore the data set and look at potential relationships between variables. I was fairly confident I wanted to use work productivity score as the target variable, but I also explored other relationships, like how screen time affects sleep quality. ChatGPT helped summarize correlations and highlight which features appeared most influential. That gave me a clear direction before building the model. After that initial exploration, I moved into VS Code to build the regression model. I imported the necessary libraries, loaded the data set, and ran a quick round of EDA to confirm data types, summary statistics, and that there were no missing values. I selected work productivity score as the target and started with several predictors, including sleep quality, energy level, sleep hours, error rate, and screen time before bed. After splitting the data into training and testing sets, I trained the linear regression model and reviewed the coefficients. Based on those results, I removed sleep hours and screen time since they showed very little direct impact once sleep quality and energy were included. I retrained the model using just sleep quality, energy level, and error rate. To evaluate performance, I calculated R squared and mean squared error. The R squared came out around 0.89, meaning the model explains about 89% of the variation in productivity. Energy level and sleep quality were the strongest positive predictors, while error rate had a negative effect, which makes sense. Finally, I created an actual versus predicted plot, and the points align closely with the reference line, showing the model performs well. I didn't run into any major challenges. I mainly used curiosity and AI to explore relationships, guide feature selection, and interpret the results. Overall, this project shows how strongly sleep quality and energy levels influence productivity, and how linear regression can turn everyday behavioral data into meaningful predictions.